Hello, and welcome to Grow with ESA. Today, we're going to talk about the top trending niches in 2025 that can help you earn more money online. What is a niche? A niche is a specific area of interest or topic that you can focus on to attract a specific audience. Choosing the right niche is important to succeed online. Here are the top trending niches in 2025 that can help you earn more money online. Health and fitness. People are looking for ways to stay healthy and fit. You can create content around workout routines, healthy recipes, and wellness tips. RPM, $5 to $15. Gaming. The gaming industry is growing fast. You can create content around walkthroughs, reviews, and gaming news. RPM, $4 to $12. Personal finance. People want to learn how to manage their money and invest wisely. You can create content around budgeting, saving, and investing. RPM, $5 to $15. Travel. With more people traveling, you can create content around travel guides, destination reviews, and cultural experiences. RPM, $4 to $12. Food and cooking. People love food, and you can create content around recipes, cooking tips, and restaurant reviews. RPM, $3 to $10. Technology. With new gadgets and software coming out, you can create content around tech news, reviews, and tutorials. RPM, $4 to $12. Education. Online learning is growing, and you can create content around online courses, educational resources, and study tips. RPM, $6 to $18. Pet care. Pet owners want to learn how to take care of their pets, and you can create content around pet health, training, and product reviews. RPM, $3 to $10. Sports. With more people interested in sports, you can create content around sports news, analysis, and training tips. RPM, $4 to $12. Tips for success. Create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Conduct thorough keyword research to optimize your content for search engines. Build a loyal community through social media and email marketing. Stay up to date with industry trends to ensure your content remains relevant. Diversify your income streams to minimize reliance on a single revenue source. That's it for today's video on the top trending niches in 2025. Remember to choose a niche that you're passionate about and has a high potential for earnings. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below for more content on online growth and monetization strategies.